Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by inserting EQ8 on the track and picking stereo or mono so processing matches your source. Once done, enable the spectrum analyzer to see problem areas and set a sensible FFT resolution. Higher values show more detail. Next, make the first corrective move. Add a gentle high pass at about 20 to 40 Hz to remove subsonic rumble. Make sure global gain sits at 0 dB so you hear true tonal changes rather than level shifts. Now focus on the detailed work. Activate 3 to 6 bands and assign types: bell for tone, shelf for broad balance, notch for resonances. You should sweep frequencies with a wide Q to locate problem spots. Once found, tighten the Q and apply conservative cuts or boosts in 0. 5 to 6 dB steps depending on severity. Solo individual bands to confirm focus, then unsolo and bypass the entire EQ to compare before and after. This helps you make musical decisions rather than finish by matching the output level so you're not fooled by loudness. Apply gain compensation and listen in context with the mix. Once satisfied, automate band changes for transitions or save a preset for recall. If you're mastering, consider linear phase mode for transparent wide cuts. Otherwise, minimum phase can be punchier. If you encounter phasing, metallic ringing, or clicks, bypass or reset the offending band, toggle linear versus minimum phase, and recheck gain staging as your key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.